Welcome to the GwarBar in the Jackson Ward neighborhood of Richmond, Virginia. This dusty bar is noted as being an upscale dive bar with the most interesting atmosphere. Covered ceiling to floor, this place is decorated with ephemera, stickers, stage props, graffiti, and a healthy dose of resistance literature and protest art. Their dietary friendly menu has options for days, and they had many drink offerings and pour choices. We tried a few of their culinary selections, and not one thing on their menu was below mid. Even their bathrooms, beer garden, and parking lot were peppered with alternative art. See the link below for the restaurant's main page and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.